Hi.
Hi. So, did you talk to your wife about us?
Well, I did try, but I could not.
But why? You said you will be talking this time.
I know, but I can't.
But what is the reason?
If I'll tell her about us, then she'll kill herself and my daughter. Do you want this to happen?
Of course not. But then what about us?
I don't know. If you want this, then I think we should end this relationship.
No. What are you saying? I can't live without you.
Then I don't know what to do.
I'll manage.
Okay. Thanks.
What happened? Why you are so tense today?
Well, I think I have to go out of India. Things are not working out here.
But why?
You know, I have loans and I can't live like this. I have to pay them off. And I'm sure I have to go out.
Then what about us?
I don't know.
Listen, you don't have to go anywhere. I have got some savings. I'll give them to you.
No, you're already helping me financially and this is not right.
What are you saying? It's our money and it's you who is more important to me.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
Great. See, I might be married to some other person, but you are my true soulmate. I'll get the car, okay? And can you put the money today itself, like if it is possible?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Great. Thanks. I'll get the car. Yeah. What happened? Why did you call me here?
I'm sorry, it was an emergency. My family is asking me to get married to somebody else.
So get married. Why did you call me here?
But I love you. Why will I get married to somebody else?
See, just get married for the sake of parents and society. That's it. What's the big deal?
I'm not understanding whatever you're trying to say.
All I'm trying to tell you is we can still continue this relationship even after your marriage. I'm also married. What's the big deal? And listen, I have some work. I'll talk to you over the phone. Let's not discuss this in a bloody parking lot at least. I'll talk to you over the phone.
But
Hi.
oh, you're ready to leave? Just give me 2 minutes, fine?
No, wait. We need to speak about something.
What? Tell me.
Did he speak to his wife about you?
No, not right now, but soon he will.
Shimona, can't you see that he's just using you?
I don't think so.
Really? Do you seriously think that this relationship has any future of any kind? Do you believe that he's going to ever leave his wife and his daughter for you?
Honestly, I don't know.
Then what are you doing with him? Why don't you just leave him?
Because I love him. I can't imagine my life without him.
So you call this love? This can't be love, Shimona. I think it's more about insecurities, the fear of not getting love in your life or the fear of just not getting another partner.
You know what? I think maybe you are right, but I really need time to think about it.
Yeah, take your time if you want, but just end this nonsense. It can be tough initially, but it's good in the long run.
Yeah, you are right. I need time to think about it, okay? And thank you so much for giving me a new perspective to it. I actually never thought about it like that. Thank you.
Many of us are stuck in this kind of relationship, which neither has a future nor present. Is it love? I don't think so. This is pure insecurity. The girl in this story is stuck in this mean relationship because she's insecure of not getting another life partner. I know there is a famous saying, something is better than nothing, but trust me, nothing is better than nonsense. So it's better to be single than being in a nonsense relationship. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive.